Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude back with another scan code video. So here I've got every single Camp Cretaceous Jurassic World figure, minus the repaint of the Sinoceratops. That one I have ordered and it'll be coming here pretty soon, so I'll do an updated video when I get that guy. But this is basically all of them, not including the Primal Attack or Dino Escape crossovers. So yeah, let's dig right in, and hopefully I can help you guys in completing your scan code collections. So first off, we'll do the Gallimimus, a really cool repaint. This one's phenomenal. Love the kind of retro Kenner style it has to it. Okay, so there we go. Next we'll do Delta. This one was a really nice repaint. I think it's one of the most accurate, in my opinion, to be released so far. I can't specifically remember which variant Delta looked like in that new pack, but I'm hoping to pick that up soon as well. So here we have Charlie. I think this one's actually the, what was it called? Primal Attack version, but it did have a repackage in Camp Cretaceous, so it might just be the same scan code on the bottom, but regardless, there you go. Next we have the Stygimoloch. This one's a really neat one. It was the first variant to come out, and it featured this darker brown sort of color, but the eye is not painted too well. So we'll actually do the second Stygimoloch now. This one I think came out in the last lineup, and this one has a gray color and a really nice painted eye, opposed to the last one that just had a black dot. This one has the yellow with black dot. Okay, so we'll do the Dimorphodons next. Surprisingly, there's two. Here we have the kind of dark bluish gold and yellow Dimorphodon. So this one's really neat. I also want to let you guys know, don't forget you can pause the video if I go too fast on any of these. And I'll probably mention it at the end, but if I miss out any of these, like if you can't scan it for some reason, and maybe it's too shaky or too blurry, then I'll feature it in the next scan code video, because I sometimes do random assortments of scan codes, just for fun. So here we've got the Troodon. This guy's my favorite dinosaur in the lineup. A very cool mold, and really nice because it's from, or based upon, the Telltale Jurassic Park game. Very freaky look in that game. So next we have Baryonyx Grim. So Grim's very cool. I don't think we're getting Grim as a Dino Escape version, but it's a neat mold, has like the head bobbing feature and stuff, and the colors are pretty nice. Next we've got the cheap version of Limbo that came in that Stegosaurus and Darius set, so this is pretty cool. I also found that one nice because it came with that little, that tiny bumpy. There's a cool kind of set that they released. I'm surprised that they did something like that. So next we've got the Plesiosaurus. So this is a very cool repaint featured in this line. Oh, did we lose focus? There we go. Very whale-like or shark-like. And then the Monolophosaurus that came in that lineup. The kind of blackish one. I actually forgot this one while I was grabbing all these figures and setting them up. I had to look through a catalog, and I was like, oh, I'm missing Monolophosaurus, whoops. So next we'll do the Proceratosaurus, this tiny little guy with the little horn on its nose or crest. There we go. Okay, and Sarcosuchus repaint. So this one's technically, the packaging that I bought it in was like a hybrid between Camp Cretaceous and Primal Attack. So I don't have the scan code app, but so I'm not sure what it falls under category wise. A little bit of technical difficulties, come on. We had it. There it is. Perfect. I'll have to invest in a new camera. Mine keeps doing that glitchy thing where if you zoom in and zoom out too fast or too long, it does that. So this is the Pteranodon, very lackluster. A lot of Mattel's Pteranodons have like this boring brown color. They're not my favorite to collect, but again, I complete the lineup, so obviously I have to get it, but no, not a big fan of the Pteranodon colors that Mattel has been putting out lately. A little sad. Next we have the Ceratosaurus from the Ceratosaurus Clash set. This one was a bit hard to track down for quite a few people, I heard. But luckily I managed to rope one. Friend picked it up for me, so that was nice. I always hate having to track things down after they become discontinued. This one wasn't too hard to get. There's lots of them. Actually, I have like 8 of them now, I think. The Tiger Stripe Raptor, they're pretty fun. Love the colors, and like hoping Mattel does more like that, like repaints based off the movies, even though they're not Legacy Collection. Like, I'd love to see the Ankylosaurus as JP3 or Pteranodon as well. Anyways, here's the Red Raptor, kind of Santa Claus-like one. Next we'll do the Parasaurolophus. This one's very neat. It's the bioluminescent one. It'd be neat if they... Neat if they made like a more translucent version. Shoot. I don't know if this is like too far away for y'all. We're fudging it up again. Come on. Come on. There we go. See if I move it closer. Oof. Oh no, we wrecked it even more, guys. This is not good. Come on. Nope. There's like that sweet spot. It's right around here. Oh, I don't know if that's too far away, guys. Just take a screenshot and zoom in, maybe. Yikes. Okay, let's do Cryolophosaurus next. A very interesting addition, as this guy was like featured in the concept art as a baby for Camp Cretaceous, so very neat that they did it as a figure for the lineup as well. I don't know if this is considered Camp Cretaceous. It was released around the same time, but the logos were off. The Extreme Battle T-Rex, Battle Damage T-Rex, I don't know, sometimes the labeling was like Battle to Survive or something. It was super weird. So let's move on to the Triceratops. Weirdly enough, it was not featured in Camp Cretaceous. Very odd. But I'm glad they got Gallimimus in there. Also weird they didn't have Stygimoloch in there. So we'll do the Stegosaurus next. This one actually features colors that were in the cartoon, in the show. So that's really nice. Like, this is one of my favorite Stegosaurs in the lineup. Next we've got Toro, the Carnotaurus. Yikes, that's really far away. I wonder if I could get any closer. No. Whatever. Okay. Hopefully you guys got that. You know what? I'll just... Next video, I'll do a hybrid video between Camp Cretaceous and the Dinoscape figures that I have. And if you guys miss some of these on here, go to that video. I'll post that soon, and grab the ones that you didn't get from this. Oh, this one's good. It's nice and large. Okay. So that was the Albertosaurus. Now we're going to the Sinoceratops. Oh, we touched it. No. There we go. That one might need a little zoom in. So let's do Echo next. So Echo's pretty neat. This one was another of those hard ones to track down. Yikes, that one's really far away. Okay, so we've got Blue and Charlie from the Clash set. There's Charlie. There we go. And then we've got Blue here. These ones are the long-legged variants of just the normal raptors. There we go. Let's do Bumpy next. Little Bumpster. Oof, I feel bad, it's so far away. I don't know if you guys are doing this on your phones. I'm assuming tablets or whatever. Yeah, hopefully you guys can get that. I'm gonna have to do another video. Oh my goodness. So let's move on to the Rex. I think it's called the Epic Roaring Rex. There we go. Hopefully you guys got that. And finally, the Spinosaurus. And we could go make another one of these scan code videos with the Dinoscapes as well. But I won't fiddle with the darn controls on the camera. Just too much. So there's Spinosaurus for you. And there we go. That's all of the Camp Cretaceous scan codes, minus one of the Sinoceratops. But other than that, that's basically the complete lineup. And it's going to be very blurry. It's going to be a bunch of colors. But yeah, no. Hope you guys could get the ones you wanted. I'm sorry about the technical difficulties at the close to the end of the video. That was a bit rough, but I'll feature the ones, all of these actually, in the, I don't know, I'll do another scan code video, but I'll also include the Camp Cretaceous figures in the Dinoscape lineup, so you guys can also get those as well. So keep an eye out for that video. Definitely check out my channel. I'm pretty sure I've done Camp Cretaceous scan code videos before in the past, so maybe if you're impatient and want those scan codes now, look on my channel. I've got a scan code folder playlist. There we go. I've got a scan code playlist on my channel, so you can go check that out. I'll include the link to it right now, and that probably has the past Camp Cretaceous scan codes on there, so definitely go check that out if you had troubles with any of these. Again, hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.